Welcome back everyone to another video. In this I'm going to show you why crypto charts might fail on you. So this is a forex pair and it's quoted with 0.12345 numbers after the decimal point. And there's a setting within CB charts that has the same input and it's called the quote digit or the symbol digits, same thing. So for BTC USD, you might have a digit of 2, but if you were to quote an altcoin against BTC, the digit value might be 8. So let's go ahead and give you an example with Binance Spot Exchange. I'm going to go ahead and grab yesterday's date. We're going to download yesterday's historical data, and this pair will be Verge against Bitcoin. So I'm going to put a suffix as correct because this is the correct value, and go ahead and download that data. And then I'm going to open up another forex chart, load CB charts onto that chart. I'm going to select Binance, also going to download yesterday's data, and I'm also going to select Verge against BTC, but this time I'm going to put the incorrect value in, and let's say that we accidentally put in a value of 4 and see what happens. And since this is going to be a fail, we'll give it the suffix as failing. Go ahead and click OK. And then we're going to compare these two charts and see what happens. Okay, so both charts have finished their downloading. You'll see the chart on the left is showing the bars correctly because we have the symbol digits going all the way to the 8th place after the decimal, and then we have the incorrect value of 4, and you can see that all the bars are basically flatlined because we don't have the correct symbol digit precision in order to chart this currency. And this is the only problem that you're going to run into when you're using CB charts, is putting the incorrect value in. Next, we're going to delete both databases and import the correct one. So I'll show you how to do that. First thing, you need to close down the charts. You can remove the CB charts from the chart, or you can just simply close the chart. You want to go over to the Market Watch and you want to hide that symbol. The next thing you want to do is go to View, go to Symbols, and we are going to delete that database. So here's the correct one and here's the failing one, and then this is actually the correct one also that I've already imported. But I'm going to go ahead and just delete all 3 of these and then start over. So we open a chart, we attach CB charts to any chart, we select the exchange, we select the date of when we want to start the download, we select how many milliseconds we want to update that chart, we select the market that we want, and then the most important thing is we need to select the correct quote digit, and for this market it was 8, and then click OK, And then there we are. We have the correct symbol digit for this market. And in order to figure out the symbol digit, you can just visit the exchange and look at the price and count how many values you have after the decimal point, and then that's the value you put in CB charts.